So I guess I upload so much that even my phone hates me because it cuts out my audio. So I'm going to try to do a speed round with this, but also doing an unboxing. Okay, so we have the epic Beyblade Burst Evolution Luinor L3 here. I'm so glad I finally got this thing. But yeah, anyways, it's obviously 2 pieces because the layer and disc are combined into one. So yeah, it has 10 stars for attack, 4 for burst, 0 defense, 6 weight, 3 agility, 1 stamina. So yeah, they don't have much faith in this, but it still has Destroy on it. But yeah, this is owned by Luinor, you know, obviously because like Lost Luinor evolves into this Nightmare Luinor. And yeah, like I said, this is unique because it only comes with 2 parts. But yeah, alright, so here is the code for anybody who wants it.